So in addition to the end cannon link pipe, we've also got this wonderful decat pipe from MTC exhaust, so max torque cans. These guys produce a lovely link pipe. You can see there that mounting lug is where the cat bolts onto the bottom of the bike, the open end there where it goes over from the headers. Now you do have to cut the cat off the bike. I'll put a picture up on screen now of just where you cut that. It's 112 mil from the weld on the cat there. You'll see that, and yeah, I'll show you taking it off the bike, and we'll get it cut. So to get the cat off, we're going to need to remove the fairing, get to the headers in there, so we can unbolt them. You won't really get to them, can't get to them very well with the fairing on. Go, side fairings off. You can see the cat. So this is the piece we're going to cut. So from this weld to about here, so it's got to be 112 mil from this weld to there, and then that's where you make the cut. Cut this off, and that will allow you to remove the cat. But first, you've got to take the lambda sensor out, get these headers off, get to the bolts up there. So that's all the headers unbolted, lambda sensors removed. Now we've just got that one lug there on the cat to undo, or the back box. Take that off and yeah, wiggle it out. There you go, the headers have actually dropped out. One exhaust Ninja 1000 SX removed. Beautiful. Now let's get to cutting. Right, so it's 112 mil from this weld back this way. You might not see that pencil mark there? There you go, that's 112 mil. So we're going to put a ring of tape all the way around from this side, and then we'll cut round following that ring of tape, and hopefully that'll be right. There you go, ring of tape round. So we're going to cut this side of the line. That's the 112 mil from the weld to there, as advised by MTC. So yeah, we'll cut that off, and you're basically just cutting this outer sleeve off, and then yeah, we should pull it apart. So you can see there what's left on the headers. You can see where you've just literally cut the outer sleeve over the cat there. This is the cat inside, and then you just pull the header section off, literally just slides off, and then you replace it with this. So this is the decat pipe from MTC. You can see the difference there, straight through, no cat, no secondary back box either, straight from the headers. You're still keeping your original lambda sensor, so you won't get any faults showing up, get better gas flow, better exhaust, and should get an increase in horsepower. So there you go, that's the headers loosely bolted on, and apologise if there's a bit of a noise because I had to get the heater a little bit fresh in here today. -1, -2 outside, something like that. Anyway, it's cold. But yeah, let's get the decat link on and see what it looks like. Definitely a big difference there though. Well folks, as you can see, that was relatively easy, slipped straight on. Just gonna get the bolt hole lined up I haven't done the headers up tight. That bolt goes in there nicely. So just use the original bolt in there where the cat used to bolt up. What we do need to do is get the nut off the back of the cat to pop on the back of there, just to bolt all that up. So I'm just dry fitting everything, make sure it all goes on. I'll quickly pop the end can on there, make sure that all goes on, and then I'll yeah, put the bit of sealant and stuff around the decat pipe, and yeah, put the clamp on and everything. So all looking good. So that is everything, just dry fitted up. It's just the link pipe on, decat and everything. Yeah, looks really good. I'm well impressed with that. Looks really smart. Yeah, just need to put the lambda sensor in, but you can see profile, got the SP Engineering can on there, the link pipe, the MTC decat, really good piece of kit. The headers, the stock headers, so everything's gone straight on there. And yeah, so far this exhaust, yeah, less than 300 quid. So now the exhaust's all fitted, let's get a sound comparison between the stock exhaust and the SP Engineering, both with the decat.